Hi everyone, Colleen from Saratoga Arms, and today I'm going to make a Beer-Mosa. I know what you're thinking, Beer-Mosa. It sounds very strange, but it's a delicious drink and it's a great alternative to a regular mimosa. So the ingredients are fresh orange juice and a great IPA, which we're using today, Druthers All-In IPA, and they're actually just down the street from us here in Saratoga. It's a delicious beer, it's hoppy, but it's just perfect for this drink. So this could not be easier. Take your orange juice. First, of course, a full glass of ice. Half the glass I'm gonna do the orange juice, and the other half I'm gonna do the IPA. Looks pretty like that, but I'm gonna mix it. As you can see, the orange juice is on the bottom a little bit. And that is it. Perfect for a brunch. Cheers.